circles. Okay, so for that we'll need, I made these little circles. Okay, so you can make it in your home. And I made these leaves and folded it. And I made these strips of colors. We need 3 colors and 4 strips for each one. So I chose blue, red and pink. And now we need thin strips for the stems. And we need a shaped hand and this black sheet of paper and a glue and scissor. So let's start. Okay, so we're going to take one strip and place it like this. Like a plus, and the other side like an X. Okay guys, I pasted it. Now we need to put the glue in the center. Then take the first strip and then paste it like this. So now we are going to do this in the other part. When you're done, this should be look like this. Now we're going to take the circle. I have this sticky paper, so I'm going to use this. If you have normal paper, you can use normal paper and stick it with the glue. The flower should be like this. Okay, so now I'm going to make the other flower with pink stripes. Okay, so I made the third flower and look how beautiful it's looking. And now I've stick the hand and the stems. So the hand looks like the stem holding. So now we are going to take this flower and stick it like this. Take the other flower and See now.